Hi, welcome to CB99 Videos. Please subscribe. If you like this video, please like it and give us a super thanks if you can. I'm talking to you today about getting on and off of a paddleboard in the water if you've had knee surgery or you have knee pain and you can't put any weight on one of your knees. Here I've had my right knee replaced, so I'm not putting any weight on my right knee in any of the examples I'm showing you in this video. I'm going to start by getting onto the paddleboard off of a boat. You can do the same movement off of a dock. Now I get down onto the board without putting any weight onto my surgery knee, which is my right knee. I stretch my right leg back into a lunge and then I cross my left leg over and end up sitting. I'll show you that in slow motion soon. Now I'm in shallow water that is not over my head, and so I'm going to show you how to get back on the boat if you're not over your head. So you just jump back onto the board, you pull across it. Notice how I'm not putting any weight on my right knee, which is the knee closest to you. I'm going to push up into a downward dog, take my left foot and bring it forward, and then stand up. I walk to my hands and I stand up. I'm going to show you that in a close-up in a minute. So now I'm going to go back down on my board the same way I showed you before, only this time I'm going to go into deeper water. Before I show you how to get up, I'm going to show you how I got down. So I bring my hands to my feet. I bring my surgery leg back in a lunge, and I twist my non-surgery leg over my lunged surgery leg. Lunge, twist over, and then into a seated position. So back in the deep water, I grab my board across it, and I get myself flat onto the board with my toes up, and I push up into a downward dog position. From the downward dog, I walk my feet to my hands and I stand up, and as I stand up, I pick up my paddle and I'm ready to paddle again on my board. So you can use this technique if you've fallen off your board or if you happen to have wanted to jump off your board to begin with. Next, you'll see a close-up of how I get up onto my board from lying flat. So I press up into a downward dog and then I first walk my feet to my hands and stand up. I start with my non-surgery leg. Hope you like watching this video about how to use a paddleboard, get up and down off of it after knee surgery. I had a total knee replacement. If you like this video, please like us, give me a super thanks if you can, and subscribe to CB99 Videos.